Di pa ako ready.
Okay lang yan.
Tulog lang ako.
Natulog sa kasi mo. Kaya mo yan.
Tara.
Punta pa ako ng school. Yeah.
Ako rin. Gusto rin manood siya na payagan.
Magbabayad pa ako ng tuition. Part of the football varsity team, and I got really interested on what his life is like. Please all welcome my big fan, JV Pozon. Hi, JV.
Hello, everyone. Hi, Wam. I'm JV Pozon. I'm from 11BRU, the neighbor of WAM, you know.
The neighbor.
I've been seeing his vlogs.
The schoolmate of WAM.
Schoolmate
of
and
WAM.
neighbor.
Yes. So, ayun. Big fan nga ako. I was really shocked talaga. Kasi bigla siya nag-hi sa akin in hallway. Sabi ko, sino ba yun? Tapos bigla ka magpapicture. Kaya sabi ko, siya pala yun. Siya yung kinukwento ng buhay. Kaya, I appreciate it na you're a big fan. Na kaya, I'm happy.
You're welcome. Thank you. Just hearing that makes me nahihiya talaga.
Okay lang yan. Ano ka ba? It's okay. Don't worry. Kasi, minsan lang magka-big fan. Pero first of all, I want to say thank you that you wanted to join in Wave Talks. Kasi, alam ko mag-yes ka pag in-invite kita And luckily then, football player ka din. Kaya I was like, sige, pag-usapan natin. Alam ba originally si Zach dapat? Pero,
you told me nga. Pero ako rin, nick-recommend niya.
Sabi ko, oo nga, sakto. Kasi ayun nga, big fan ng football. So sabi ko, sige, siya na lang.
Nag-align.
Oo, nag-align talaga. I wanna ask, how's life recently for you?
Very super exhausting, you know, since recently galing kami NCR, so like another mental, another mental toll. Tapos since, di ba, mag-exam na rin tayo, ang daming tasks, nagsabay-sabay lahat ng project, yung computer talaga nakakabanas sa akin sobra, like, oh my God.
Kami natapos na doon. Tapos na kami doon
Hirap mag-cope sa computer. Just, very tiring, syempre, since student-athlete, yun talaga i-expect mo. Super talaga, since procrastinator ako, like, ang hirap talaga.
Yeah, gets ko yun.
Pero, since, naman, you know, parang na-enjoy ko naman, since I'm with friends, tapos may EMSAL tayo, parang, ayun, ang saya rin. So, balance. Yun lang.
Pero at least nakakaya mo pa. That's the most important thing.
Haba lang.
Yeah, 2 weeks na lang, tapos na tayo.
2 weeks na lang, pare.
Grade 12 na. Kaya yan. 2 weeks na lang. Ganyan din ako.
Pero don't wanna graduate. You know?
Ay, grabe yun. Wag muna. I mean, nusunod ako kaya ayoko muna.
It's too short. Since pandemic. So, parang ang short ng time.
Oo. Kaya parang
sayang.
Nalulungkot ako. Kaya nung nag-online class na lungkot ako Sabi ko, bayan. So, sana makita kayong lahat. Pero makakami yun. Unti na lang. Kami nga, defense, science, science, oral, tas documentation. Tapos na kami, na lang 3, then boom, exams na. Kaya mo yan.
Onting course na lang.
Kayo ba?
Talaga.
Kayo ba? Ano pa bang projects niyo pa nagagawa?
Presentation sa Soksai. Yung editing video sa field trip.
Okay.
Yung pitch, since yung defense, tapos na rin kami doon yung na lang.
Diyos ko, ang dami mo palang gagawin.
Mga assignment pa, yung religion, yung computer, yan.
Mga SPLs din. Naiirita ako, clear na, tapos biglang maglalagay sila ng bago, kainis.
Ganun parati sa Maris, like, every bago mag-exam, ang dami parati.
Like, before talaga mag-exam. Wait. Pero at least nakakaya mo pa, that's awesome. Pero, I wanna ask, how long have you been studying in Maris na ba?
Since kinder. So like 11 years na.
Matagal na. Matagal ka na pala. Okay. Kasi nakita ko yung yung yearbook picture mo ng grade 6. Kaya sabi ko, feeling ko matagal na to. Yan ayun, matagal na nga.
Madami talagang
talaga. Kaya mga na-interview ko din matagal din pala. Nagugulat din ako. Yung iba since grade 1 daw. Sabi ko, talaga ba? So I see.
Very loyal Marista, guys. Very loyal.
Tama yan. Di ba may parang loyal reward daw ba? Parang may sinabi. Totoo ba yun?
Yeah, that's true.
Totoo yun? Di ako naniwala. Sabi ko, loyal reward. Grabe naman yung loyal reward. I see. Pero grabe. Nakuha mo na ba yun?
Hindi pa sa grade 12 pa yun.
Sa grade 12 pa. I see. Akala ko sa grade 10 graduate mo pa. Pero I see. Grabe yun may loyal reward pa pala. Just go. I see. So, since maganda naman yung life mo in Maris, maganda ba?
Yeah.
Okay,
super,
that's good.
That's
good. That's good naman to hear. So, since yun nga, JV's part of the football varsity, I wanna ask you, since kasi nga curious ako, what's life like as a football player?
Like yung ko?
Oo, like life talaga. It can be like what you do in a day, anong buhay, like anything talaga, like ganun.
So, yung routine ko usually is I wake up at 5. So, 1 hour of preparation. I take a bath. I take eat, ganun. Buwis. I take my gamit for training. Well, yung gamit ko for training, I prepare it the night before. So, like, wala na masyadong problema. For school at 6. Tapos, 6:30 and school. Tapos yun, class, blah, 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 class. Then, after dismissal, training. 5:30, ganun. Training.
Ang taga!
Ganun yun. Usual things for an athlete. Tapos, after nun, pagka uwi, mga 1 to 2 hours rest. Tapos, mga 1 hour of, SPL. Tapos yun tropa time na gaming, ganun.
Nakakapagod pala yan. Hindi nagpupuyat ka din.
Yeah, very, very. Kaya, like, yung advisor namin parang practice pa na prate raw tulog, ganun.
Paano may training ka nga?
Yeah.
So, hindi ka rin makakatulog. Pero gets ko yung grabe. Ang aga mo palang maano. Pero are there times ba na parang, hindi ka nakakapunta ng training? Like, for example, ayaw mo. Pwede ba yun?
No.
Hindi talaga pwede yun.
Self-discipline din yun. Like, talaga. Like, conditioning mind ko mag-training parate. Like, I mean, masaya rin kasi yung training. So, that's part of it. Pero, yung coach namin, nagpa-management. Kaya, yun na yun.
Pero, pwede naman yung nagkasakit ka. Pwede yun.
Yeah,
pwede yun. Pwede yun.
Pero, rare ako magkasakit kaya, Tsaka, I think of it like, quote ko kasi, like, be better than yes. Parang, I take that in mind every day. Parang,
true, tama.
It's a chance for me to become better. Yeah,
yes.
Like, let go, yeah.
Tama yan. I love that quote. I love that quote that you gave. Pero grabe buhay mo. Hindi ko kaya yan. I guess parang it's kinda like for me as well. Content creation, tas homework, tas ayun.
Yeah. Masasanay ka rin kasi,
Ay, sa bagay. Kasi, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung paano yan. Pero, I wanna ask you, how long you've been doing football na ba?
Grade 5 ako nag-start.
Grade 5.
7.
Grade 5 ka na sa varsity na nun?
Yeah, pero summer ng grade 4 na nag-start, so 7 years.
I see. So summer dun sa Maris talaga?
Yeah.
So na-join ka sa varsity nun?
Yeah.
I see. Pero since you did start dun nga sa mismong Maris,
yeah.
When you joined nung nakapasa ka sa varsity nung grade 5, what was your reaction? Like, anong na-react mo nung nakapasa ka?
I mean, syempre, nung una, very happy, Tapos, like, all my hard work has paid off, ganun. Tas, pero, after nun, like, when I told my parents about it, parang madasadent ako kasi they were all working So, like, walang makakatid sa akin, walang makakasundo. So, like, nung grade 4 sana, varsity sana, pero ayaw muna. So, grade 5 is like, nag-club muna ako, hindi muna varsity. So, like, club.
Okay.
Kasi, pag club, puro weekend lang. So, pwede ako sumali dun. So, yeah.
I get it. Gets
So, yun.
So, that's what, gets ko yung, side mo. So, yun ngayon, pag nag-varsity ka, like, yun nga, 5 nga uwian mo, nagsa-service ka ba? Or like, nagko-commit ka ba? Like,
angkas is key. Very.
Diyos ko, tas ang dami mo ring dala?
I mean, hindi naman, isang bag lang na mabigat.
Okay. Kasi, usually pag PE kasi dalawa yung bag pero sa'yo, hindi ko na-imagine pero isang bag lang pala. I understand it there.
Ang bigat.
Oo, ang dami mong dala Ganun talaga pag varsity, madami kang dala. Yeah. I wanna ask you, what made you, like, wanted to do football nung ka?
Well,
or like fall in love, ganun?
Yeah, very funny story nga kasi unang-una, I love basketball. Tapos, me and my daddy used to play that every weekend. Tapos, kasi nga, I was a small kid back then, sabi ng tito ko, masyado ka maliit, try mo kaya mag-football, ganun.
Okay.
Try ka mag-football. Tapos, yun, nagustuhan ko, parang I have a talent for it, if you could say. Tapos, parang, ayun, nagustuhan ko, like, nanonood ng mga videos, parang ang interesting niya, parang mas challenging siya, so parang mas fun for me. Tapos, that's what made me fall in love with it. Yung players, yung culture, yung tradition, parang that's so, nakaka-fall yung mga,
Gets ko yun.
Yeah.
Pero, diba your MSAL was basketball and football? Dalawa ba?
Yeah, dalawa.
Okay.
Kasi kami, so ganun. Yeah.
Dalawa pa talaga, Diyos ko, Lord. Paano mo talaga nakakaya yan? Hindi ko alam. Pero after ba na MSAL, may training ka?
Sometimes, yeah.
Oh
meron.
My God. Okay, sometimes akala ko madalas. Kasi pag madalas, Diyos ko, JV, patay na ako.
It's just light work. Light work lang yun.
Sabagay. Yeah, I think I've watched you nung football at basketball,
Yeah.
napanood kita. Football, I just don't remember. Basta basketball, napanood kita.
Then, nanood ko nun once, I remember. Kasama mo sila Jill nun. I remember, andun ka nun. Naghahaya ko nun eh.
Ay, oo, naalala ko yun. Oo, yung nag-high ka. Tapos parang, wait, I think Bien ata yung pangalan niya. Di ko lang kung siya yun. Parang sabi niya, siya yung parang may idol sa'yo. Sabi ko, bakit naman? Tapos sabi niya, pinapanood ko yung videos for every lunchtime. Sabi ko, okay. Hindi na-touch ako. Kaya, ayun, naalala ko yun. Kaya, ayun nga, I supported you. Kasi parang ganun lang din. You supported me, kaya support din kita. I give my waist back. Kaya, ganun
fair trade.
Ganun talaga ako. Pero, nasa final MSL vlog ka naman. Kasi diba nag-basketball ka. Kaya, bilinag ko rin yun. So, nandun ka naman din. I mean, madami ko naman best out na napunta sa vlog ko. So, it's all good. Pero maganda yung story mo how you fell in love with football. Pero yung football ba, mas mahal mo pa siya kaysa basketball?
Yeah, football is my
sa bagay. Sa bagay. Pero
like hobby ko lang talaga yung mga ibang sports. I can play all sports naman, like lahat, like I can play all tennis.
So intermediate ka sa mga PE sports?
Yeah!
Wow!
Lahat! Badminton, lahat! Like, I'm not kidding, lahat kaya ko.
So athletic ka talaga?
Not an arrogant way, pero like, I can play all.
Yeah, sporty ka talaga. I understand you there. Now, let's go to your experiences of being a footballer. And I want to ask, what is the best and hardest things for you as a footballer? Let's go to the best things muna.
So, the best muna is, syempre, the friends I've made along the way, the bonds made, the many happy and sad memories through.
Yeah.
And yung syempre yung like sense of like what do you call it? Parang nare-recognize ka kasi di ba nire-rep sa school ganun.
Kasi nga may pangalan pa sa likod mo, number kaya kilala ka talaga.
Yeah, representing the school, that's one of the most best thing. Tapos yung mga syempre allowance galing sa school.
Ay, may ganun? Hindi ko alam yun.
Yeah.
Wow.
When we won division meet, may allowance talaga kami. We're gonna represent Paris. So,
swerte ka.
Have you seen my story ba? Yung kasama ko sa picture ko si Marcy.
I think, oo.
Yeah, yun na sila nagbibigay sa amin ng allowance directly. Sila
yun. Ang galing naman nun. I see.
Yeah, one of the best.
Yung talagang best mo si allowance. Ang galing. I get you there. Yeah. Pero what are your hardest things naman?
So, I mean,
walang allowance. Charot, joke lang.
In a serious note, parang yung loss, yung mga losses namin, yung bad performances.
Oo.
Sometimes hindi ka talaga makaka-join sa bonding ng mga tropa mo, yung friends mo, parang yung priority.
Gets ko yun.
Yung family, ganun.
Oo.
Tapos, recently nga, so, I'll just share yung division meet, ang pangat ng performance ko. Tapos parang, I felt that all of my hard work didn't pay off, parang ganun, parang all of it was for nothing. So parang, sobrang lala ng mental state ko noon, like, I was thinking of football, ganun. Parang, yun yung one of the toughest things as an athlete, parang mental, as I always do in life, parang I look at it in a positive way. So parang, I look at it as a hurdle, parang to be better, ganun.
Oh, parang, I understand you. Yeah, yun din talaga mahirap yung mga nawalan ka ng game, pero you don't have to feel bad kasi hindi naman palagi perfect way, kaya parang
you always have bad days.
Yeah, you have good day, you have good games, you have bad bad games, all of that. Kaya it's okay na na you have that hardest things. Pero since ayun nga madami ka ng experiences on football varsities, games and everything, what was your best experience naman?
Well, one of which would be representing Marikina.
Love it. Love that.
Tapos, thank you Lord, nakascore ako sa NCR, one of the most proudest moments I've ever had. Tapos I mean, one of the best things I've experienced in winning tournaments, syempre, in my club.
Yeah, totoo yan. Ano ba club mo?
Jaguars dati, pero ngayon focused on varsity talaga
So
ako.
wala kang club ngayon sa senior high?
Yeah, wala.
Gets.
Yung club ko sa school is varsity talaga. I mean like football club.
Okay, gets. I understand. Akala ko may club ka pa pag varsity ka, pero wala na pala. I gets ko yun. I see. Pero how about your worst experience naman? Like, alam ko madami kang worst experiences.
Yeah. Well, recently, yung division meet yun, yung pinaka ko. Tapos, yung yung coach kasi namin medyo like, harsh siya magsalita. So, parang, medyo, inaano ka pa, yun yung masyado, I have a problem handling it. Pero, yun lang.
Soft-hearted ka eh. Naintindihan ko yung soft-hearted ka. Kaya hindi mo kaya mga sigaw. Gets ko eh, kasi ganyan din ako.
Same, di ba? Parang,
oo.
Nakakadismaya pag ganun. Parang alala niya mga siya ganun.
Gets ko yun. Kaya, I understand your feeling na hindi mo kaya ng mga harsh words. Kaya, gets ko talaga yun. Pero, okay lang yan. Kasi, ayun nga, you do better every single day you practice, things like that. Hindi naman agad makukuha mo. Ganun talaga ang life. Yeah. That's the reality. That's the reality. But I have the last question for you. And, this is about going to be your future. Pero, what do you think your future will be as a footballer? Since kasi feeling ko tatagalin mo to eh.
Yeah. I mean, right now, my short-term dream would be to play in the UAP, to play for the collegiate level, semi-pro, ganun. Tas, to reconnect with my teammates. Kaya, one of my dream would be to play in the UAP. Kasi yung, dating Marista na, like, super close ko na friend is nasa UST na siya ngayon. So, parang, gusto ko umabol, ganun. Parang gusto ko mag-reconnect, ganun. So, yeah, that would be my short-term dream. And, syempre, my long-term dream would be to play with the pros, ganun. To play, to represent Philippines, ganun. Kasi, to be honest, I have tried out for the ASCALs, for the national team. So, parang, doon ko naramdaman na parang I have a chance eh. Parang, kayang-kaya ko pa to. So, I still have a lot of time left. So, yeah.
Ma-achieve mo yung dream mo yan. Malay mo baka within the near futures, nagpa-play ka na sa mga stadiums.
Yeah.
Yun yung maganda.
Yeah. Tapos may allowance. May allowance.
Yan talaga. Yeah, gets ko yun. Pero ma-achieve mo yung mga dreams mo na yan kasi whenever you dream something, unti-unti lang makuha mo yan. That's
hard work lang, guys.
Yeah,
hard work.
And manifestation, ganyan ako.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah. Pero your dreams, ayun nga, mag-UST ka. Ay, mag-UST ka ba?
Yeah, UST.
Mag-UST ka eh. Mag-UST ka. You're gonna play on UST. Pero di ba nag-play ka na sa Ateneo? Parang alam ko yun.
Ateneo? I have played in Ateneo Field, yeah. Pero hindi sa Ateneo talaga.
I see.
Kinakalaman ka Ateneo, yeah.
Gets, I understand it there. Pero yeah, makuha mo yung mga yan, I promise. It'll be a dream. Malay mo, after ng interview na to, nasa stadium ka na. Nasa stadium ka na. Yeah, we'll be like,
you never know.
3+ years. Yeah, tama yan. Pero, yeah, tama yan. You'll find out soon. Pero, getting to know your life about about being a football varsity kasi nalaman ko na kung ano yung buhay kasi ayun nga, curious ako and varsity player. I'm really happy na I got to interview you, JV.
Yeah, me too.
And of course, alam mo na, gusto mo talaga. And ayun, I'm happy that we got to interview and
me too. I'm just sad lang na parang short ganun. So parang
di naman 21 minutes. It's 21 minutes. Okay. Maganda naman yung stories mo, kaya it's okay. Malay mo, pag lumaki ka na, dito na tayo. Part 2.
Extended.
Extended. Anong nangyari? Kasi ayun nga, diba? It's alive. Pero no worries. Okay lang naman na it's short kasi mahaba naman din. It's been 22 minutes. And madami ka pang gagawin, kaya I'll let you.
Sorry.
It's okay, no worries. Huwag ka mag-alala kasi ako na madami pa na akong gagawin. Pero that's all. Thank you again, JV. And thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, more interviews to come soon. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. See you soon.